My name is Bruce Murray, and I am the owner with my wife, Diana, of Boundary Breaks. We started here 10 years ago when this was simply bare farmland. No vines and no buildings. Now, my wife, Diana, and I are here nearly every day pouring wine for visitors. They often ask me, "What did you do before this?" Before this, I worked for 35 years in the publishing business. I made a living producing words or pictures. Then, after the mid-1990s, I helped make images in a web browser on the internet. Very little is left of any of that. The companies I work for are all gone or absorbed into larger ones. Back then, I used to fly more than 50,000 airline miles every year. Today, Diana and I live inside a piece of land less than a quarter mile on each side. We know our neighbors. Just 5 miles to the north, our wines are on the shelf in the Ovid liquor store. At the Golden Buck restaurant down the street in Ovid, our wines are on the wine list. What did I do before this? Whatever it was, it seemed necessary at the time. Is what we do today perfect? No, but most days it is. There are a lot of great wines in the world, and we want to make a few more of them. I am a boundary breaker.